Created through the collaboration of two giant entities of motorcycle manufacturing in Taiwan and Thailand, this motorcycle has been born. With the two companies, namely SYM and GPX, with their longtime expertise in crafting the best of the best beast motorcycles, people should be excited about this motorcycle. And as part of our mission to introduce to you any motorcycle that has been released, whether that be in the country or outside the country, and also being part of our openness that this motorcycle might reach the country soon, we will review the specs and features of this motorcycle. Welcome to the Motor Thread channel. Introducing the new SYM GPX Drone 150 motorcycle. This has been equipped with a 150cc, single cylinder, 2 valves, single overhead cam or SOHC and a fuel-injected engine. With its SYM branded engine CVT, this motorcycle can decently produce an output of 15 horsepower. And because this is a 2-valve engine, you can expect the fuel consumption to be at a considerably efficient rate. The fuel consumption of the motorcycle ranges from 40 to 45 kilometers per liter. That indeed is already an efficient rate, as it is already very close to a fuel consumption of a 125cc motorcycle. This can reach a top speed of 128 kilometers per hour. So, with its engine alone, you'll get a decent power while consuming less fuel. Speaking of fuel, the fuel tank capacity of the motorcycle is 7.5 liters. Looking at the Drone 150 motorcycle, at first glance, you will really see 3 motorcycles being combined to become one. From the side view, this motorcycle kind of gets its physical attribute from the Honda ADV, while the frontal view gets the combination of Aerox and Nmax look. It also now has a naked handlebar, which is very sporty and cool looking. Everything about this motorcycle actually complements to one another, including its smoked windshield that is already built into the motorcycle. As to the dimension, this motorcycle is interestingly higher and a bit wider compared to Aerox. But to an average height or average build person, this should still be very drivable and easy to handle while driving. The motorcycle now has a built-in tire hugger. The tire size on the front is 100 by 90 while the rear is 110 by 80. Both wheels are already utilizing a disc brake system but without an ABS. It could have been way better if ABS was equipped. However though, they already equipped the front of the motorcycle with a dual piston caliper as a make-up of it. As to the electrical, the Drone 150 now has a frontal pocket with its USB charging port, an all-LED lighting system from the headlight down to the turn signal, a fully digital instrument panel, a keyless system, an 18-liter under-seat storage which can conveniently fit a half-face helmet or a full-face helmet, depending on the brand and styles. Plus, this already has a wide footrest board, which extends to the front and to the back of the motorcycle for added convenience. As to the suspension, it utilizes a telescopic fork on the front and a dual shock absorber on the rear. As to the final deciding factor, the price. With its current price in the market, the direct conversion ranges from 104 to 110,000 pesos or $1,900 US. What do you think of the price? The next motorcycle review video we have, the one you see on the screen, is the new Honda CB150RX Motion motorcycle. Just click it to watch next.